Hey, what is up, peoples? It is currently 12:19. It's the right time because I have my phone. Hold up, webcam. 12:20. Yeah, just turned 12:20 anyway. Yeah, I hate this camera. It never focuses. So right now, hold up. Wait, I thought I was blurring a face. Hold up, what? I thought I was blurring a face. Why was I have to blur a face? Because somebody that I hate is in my YouTube channel. I do not like that. Okay. Yeah. It didn't even get no views. That was weird. Hold up, what? Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. Let's watch this. Okay. Guys. Wait, hold up, hold up, hold up. I thought it would work, guys, but it doesn't really work. Okay, that sucked. I got 7 views on that. We need to talk. Okay, 3 views, really. Okay. Now how to play Roblox. Hold up. Now, I need help on my YouTube channel. Alright, what time is it? I forgot. 12:22. Look at my eyes. I got eye bags. This is why you always see me at school with eye bags. Jeez. Okay. Si no voy a la escuela. Okay. And yeah. Oh, this is so annoying. This girl is so annoying. I hate this girl. But what? No. Unsubscribe. Nobody likes it. Who is that? You got 0. She got 0. She's unknown. Oh, yeah, I was hoping. She hit me up. She was like, "Yo, Roy, can you help me on something?" You see me right there. I'm like, this girl better say something good. That's my phone. She took it. The reason there's no audio is because I might get copyrighted. Nobody likes to get copyrighted. I'm just like, yo, this girl better like give me my phone back. And I'm just like, hey. I was like, can you give me my phone back? No? Okay. No, I have never. She's crazy, to be honest. She's really crazy. Well, I don't hate her. She's more like a friend. But yeah. I was like, guys, she needs help on her YouTube channel. And then she was like, no, I don't. Look at her. Look at me. Like, seriously. Look at me. I'm literally bigger than her. Literally bigger than her. That's what I get. Blocked worldwide. Copyright claim. I would usually blur my face, but we're not doing that video. We're doing another video. This one, like, on the third one. At least that's what I'm thinking. Yep, it has to be this one. No. I did not go that far. Okay, that is weird. That is super weird, okay. No. I'm gonna blur his face, cause right here, right here, right here, right here. So it should look like this. No, what? Go, go, go. I mean, you can see his face. That sucks. Yeah, that sucks. Like, you can see his face a lot. You see him. His face is just blurred. So funny. Yeah. So if he takes my phone away. Yeah, the blurring on YouTube is kind of bad. So yeah. Okay, this is how I edit my videos. I literally had to get on top of him. Oh, that came out wrong. I would never ever say that again. Yeah. So blur this. Okay, I'm done. No. Custom blurring. Doesn't work. Okay, whatever. Save. Yes, whatever. but I need to do this. Add an element. It's gonna be right there. Okay, whatever. Best for my VR. Phantom Force is, let me guess. Okay, whatever. Preview. Yep, 52 seconds. That sucked. I didn't mock. Cool, but I blurred my face on it. Yeah. Yep. No, not yet. Okay, I'm gonna do a video in the morning, guys, once I wake up. Bye, guys. I hope you, wait, hold up. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's 12:31 a.m. apparently. So, yes, it's right there. And yeah. I'll see you in the morning. But I'm gonna do a live right now, so. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe.